Hey everyone, Jeremy here at ConvertHub. Today I want to talk about using Facebook Meta ads to really generate high quality customers for your pest control business. Now, a lot of times when we're talking with pest control businesses, we'll have people say, well, hey, we tried Facebook advertising before and it just didn't work. And usually if we dig in deeper and look at what they were actually running, they were either doing one of two things. One, the advertising that they were running was just basically a boosted post. So they were paying a little bit of money for Facebook to share that post around to people they think would engage with it, hit like or whatever on that post. Really doesn't do much to generate new customers. Or the other option was they actually did run Facebook ads, but if you look at the ads that they ran, they were very cut and dry. It was, hey, this is John's Pest Control. If you're having a pest problem, give us a call. Or we've been in business for 30 years. If you're having a problem with pests, give us a call. You know, those basic messaging they don't work today, right? And I want to spend a little bit of time and go through some of what I'm talking about and show you some ads that really don't work and give you some tips that you can use when you're running Facebook ads. Now, I hate to be the one. I'm going to be showing some ads, some real ads that are running right now on Facebook. If you're not familiar with this is Facebook's ad library. You can just do a Google search for it and find it. And you can browse through and do searches for actual ads that are currently running on Facebook. And so this is an example of a Facebook ad that really likely does not generate very much in the way of business for this company. And so if you look at it, what do you see? Not really a much of anything. You see the business name, you see the picture of the person, and just the service that they run, right, with a phone number to schedule. If you click on this, let's see where it actually takes us. It just takes you to the company's main homepage. There's not a clear call to action. Likely this type of ad is just it's not going to generate very many leads, and it's going to be a high cost per lead, and the quality of those leads are just going to be pretty abysmal. Okay, so here's another ad, a different company. Now this ad likely does a little bit better, and the reason why, so one of the things that we want to do is when you're running a Facebook ad, you really want to speak to the problem that somebody has, and or have a very high quality offer that gets them to engage. And in this case, they're speaking to a very specific problem that somebody has. Bed bugs, right? And so you can see here that this is basically the same ad. I'm not sure what the difference is in the two ads, maybe targeting on the back end. But you can see here they've got don't let the bed bugs bite, call us for a good night's sleep, rest assured knowing our expert team will swiftly and effectively eliminate bed bugs. But again, there's no real incentive or reason for somebody to reach out. Now, granted, if they have a bed bug issue, they may reach out, but likely they've known they've had a bed bug issue and they haven't gone to Google and tried to find a solution for that yet. And so this one likely picks up a few leads, but the cost per lead is probably fairly high, and the conversion rate of those leads is likely very low. So just another ad that just doesn't do well. It looks attractive, it looks appealing, but the messaging is just not strong enough. Okay, so here's a third example of an ad. Now this one of the things they're lacking content, the actual text for this ad, which is important. The way that Facebook's algorithm works, it reads that text and is able to figure out who your target audience is based on that text. So that's one thing that they are missing. At the same time, the AI can read words on the screen, so it's likely picking up a lot of these words. But let's look at this ad, right? They're talking about pest control. They have a very specific offer, right? So $45 a month. If you notice right here, this is a 2023 summer special. Now, this is wintertime in 2024, so you know that's sort of failing. It really should be updated. But what are the keys? Pet and kid safe treatments, eco-friendly option, bi-monthly service, upfront pricing, 1,200 five-star reviews. So there's a lot of things in that one graphic, that one image, that really says a lot about this business. One, it gives them a discount or a special offer to reach out for. I would likely put something in there about a time when this is ending. You know, this offer is only valid for so long, or for only valid for so many people that respond to it. But you can see that it still likely does fairly well. If he just tweaks some of the things like the summer special, maybe call it the winter or fall special, maybe add some text up here, it likely would convert even better. But I hope that gives you a little bit of idea on how these ads should be run. So one of the things we do is we actually have built out an entire library of Facebook ads for pest control. I mean, that's all that we do is just deal with pest control. And so with our software, you can actually launch pre-built, proven campaigns with the click of 3 buttons. So if you're interested in how we can help you launch Facebook ads, down in the description of this video, there's actually a link. You can go book a 15-minute demo. We'll show you how it all works, and love to chat with you and show you how everything is set up and how it can be used to generate customers for your pest control business. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new content that we publish.